can rap about the situation, you can do it then. Hope you can do fat time, ain't no guns up in that bitch. Better know how to fight or you turn to a junkie in that bitch. Do the crime, do the time, nigga crying overnight. In my life I can't rewind, I'ma make it through the night. Used to call enforcers night, but they Nike check me, try me. I'ma checkmate these niggas, now wonder who is my cellmate. Like Wayne, nigga, just throw me my opponent. Fuck that nigga, just throw me my opponent. Yeah, watch I fuck over my opponent. Yeah, watch I leave my opponent. Them young niggas, they out they mind, pop that perk and sling that iron. Niggas sound lucky, so I guess I got that lucky 7. Aim to me to heaven, fan time, father to 7. Exaggerating about the truth and make you wanna go get proof. And nigga, I'm a sick fuck, I got this shit gloved up. Back then I tried to shove it up, now I don't give a fuck. The niggas try to bother me, be the ones I'm laughing at. Nigga, I'm Corona, now tell me who I'm coughing at. Matter of fact, where my coffin at? Got him like spot him, got him. Boy, you catch a nigga that weird, you supposed to leave him at. And the hoe gon' follow, one day she swallow. Start speaking for another person, I might pick up the Bible. But fuck that, my sins don't make it right for the Lord. My first girlfriend had this shit, I dubbed it at an early age. But it came back, I guess this shit was made for me, was meant for me, yeah. So I guess that shit was made, yeah. Young niggas, they out their mind, pop that perk and sling that iron. Niggas sound lucky, so I guess I got that lucky 7. Aim to me to heaven, fan time, father to 7. Exaggerating about the truth, make you wanna go get proof. Yeah, bitch, what you know about it? Whole lot of this and that, CTG shit, nigga. Yeah, we know money rule the world. MRTW, come on. 1WBE, yeah. Entertainment, nigga. What you know about it? Me a beast up in that east. I put on for the east. Yeah, nigga, from OV to the E. Nigga, them niggas yeah. Them niggas out they minds, them niggas, they pop that purple. And they bad on. Yeah, beat with them.
Silk beans.